letter do you have, Lala?
I have
L.
Lala.
Lala.
Like, oh, Lala.
Nala's.
Nalah and Nadia shop. Today we're doing rice tray.
Wow.
And some food coloring. So, first we add some food
Hey
coloring.
guys, do you mind if I help out?
Yeah.
Alright. Can I get up here? Okay. I heard rice tray, so I came running to see if I can help.
And I'm going to assist you guys. They've already got started. We take bags of rice in a Ziploc bag, a container, whatever you want. Put food coloring in the rice bag.
Hold on, don't put it on your hand. Oh, that's enough, Nadia. Right.
Okay, that's should be enough squeezing.
Alright.
See, mine is pink.
Ooh, that came out really pretty. Keep shaking.
Alright.
Oh my god, it's shaking.
Let's close it up, Nadia.
I might need some more food coloring.
Let's close it up.
That is so
Can I help you
pretty.
close it up? Oh, you close yours up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. This is really great. Yeah, so if you, you're gonna make it really red by adding more food coloring. Let's show everyone. Hey friends, would you like to see?
It's so strawberry. The purple.
That's purple.
It's like purple cake.
Can I help you put the top one? Yeah, I got it for you. Clean it, Mark.
That's pretty, Nadia. Shake, shake, shake
Okay,
it.
we'll clean it off later. Let me see. Can I see the top, please? All right.
Guys, hey guys, are you in the summer?
Can I put a little more?
Oh, probably
Yes.
the girls, probably the guys, are saying that they are in the sun.
Our friends,
Yeah,
Friends?
our
We're
friends.
having fun in the sun.
Yes.
I think we're out.
are you having fun in the sun?
Yeah.
All right, let's close it like
Yeah.
this.
Everyone, look at this.
You do like this, right? There
Pretty.
you go. Now
You
shake it
wanna
up.
do another color?
Shake it up. Shake it up, Nadia. Shake it, shake it.
I want to do another color. It's blue. I want to do
Here's the
blue.
purple. Shake it, shake
Oh my
it.
god.
And Nadia.
Mine is
All
kinda
right.
blue.
What color do you have, Nadia?
What color is that?
Green? Green. Oh no, I ran
What
out of
color do you have,
It does
Noah?
look green.
blue.
Put the top
I
on.
ran out.
This is so fun.
Oh my god, I
All right, so
ran
let's
out
close
of-
it, Nadia.
Oh my god, I ran out of food.
Oh,
Shake
no.
and see if it's enough.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Can you shake it, shake it, shake it? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Oh. This is fun. Whoa, it's turning green. Look at it.
Now that came out really pretty.
Look at it, how blue hers is. And then look at your green.
That came out
It's
really,
really
pretty,
great.
Nadia.
It's like the Hulk. Show everybody. Hey, friends.
Now it's time to try it.
Yay.
So once we color all of our rice, we put it in a tray.
I want to make mine.
We put it on a tray
Let's have
and we
solid
let
colors.
it
Hold on.
dry.
Let's put the top back on this one. Nadia, you're strong? Oh, yes, you are strong. You're strong. Arr, you're a pirate. Are you the pirate? Holy, is this so scary, you guys? Ah, scary. Give me your arr. So we're waiting on the rice to dry, you guys. We're waiting on the rice to dry. And as soon as it dries, we're going to continue. Rawr! I'm the pirate. I captured the fairy. You stay right here, matey. Oh, hey, what do you want? What do you want from me?
Captain, you always take the sisters.
I take the sister fairies, and I got you too.
I just went away.
Hold on, she put her pixie dust on me. Oh.
I don't have no more pixie dust.
Got me. Oh, she's going down. Don't escape. Come back here. Hey, she left. Hey, lady.
The rice have dried, right?
That's the pink one.
There's some of the pink. Now, guys, just mix it all up.
Can I do mine?
Mix it all up.
Whoa, whoa.
No, mine.
Wow.
Mix it all up.
Wow, mix it up.
This is really fun for sensory play, especially for Nadia. She's 2 years old.
And that was 4.
So fun for sensory play.
I love it.
Now we're gonna do our alphabets and our numbers.
Oh, wow.
I do 2.
Okay, let's see.
Z.
Do 9.
Okay, we'll put it
What
in
letter
here.
do you have, Lala?
I have L.
L.
Lala.
Lala.
Like elf and Lala.
Here.
Nala's
Do you want
nickname,
your
if you
finger?
guys didn't know, is Lala. So L for Lala.
And N for Nala.
Oh, how
Yes.
do you make the Z, Nadia? Get it, go top. You get put 2 fingers. Use 2. Try
Take
2
her
fingers.
fingers into it.
Here, let me see your fingers.
Oh,
Put
we're
2.
gonna do the letter
Like
Z.
this. Oh,
Can Poppy
I
show
help
you?
please? Can I help you, please?
What letter do you want to do next, Nala?
Let's do Z.
L.
Oh, you're still doing the L. Okay.
And the I is an L.
Z, good job.
Oh my gosh! Yay,
That's the
Nadia!
letter Z. Okay.
Z
Right, mix it
is
up.
for zebra.
I did I.
Mix it up.
I mean L.
The lowercase
Good
L.
job. Uh-oh. I got it for you.
Now I want to do A.
There we go.
No, I want to do Nicholas.
What letter does
Can
necklace
we
start
have
with?
N.
Yes.
You can have some fruit. Oh my god, you love dolphins.
D
As for
for dolphins.
Is that a door? This
This
is the
is a door.
lowercase n.
No, I want to do a big N.
Okay, there goes a big N right here.
Let's do
I
D.
didn't notice it was
Draw
the
a D.
big
Can you draw a D?
nest.
See the line going down?
I did that.
And then go around with your finger like this. D. Is that a D?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job, Nadia.
That's a D.
Yeah,
Round in a place, go
You go
back
down and then
line,
around, right?
Then go back up, then a line.
Ooh, that's how you make an N. Good job, Nala.
Yeah, like a happy face.
A D is like a happy face.
Yeah.
See?
Happy,
Happy face. Well, it's more like a mouth.
Yeah.
Like this.
Well, can you draw a happy face? Let's start all over. Draw a happy face, Nadia. Whoa!
Good job on your
That's
happy
a circle.
face.
Look at that.
Nadia, you're doing a circle?
The circle that do the happy face. Okay, yeah.
Hi, look at my happy face.
This is such a creative way to get the kids
That's a great happy face.
hands-on.
Where's your happy face, Nadia?
It's different.
Guys, you want
And
to have it? Here.
Okay. Can I do the circle?
Wow. Eat that
Make
right.
a circle.
Yum, 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 yum.
No,
All right, now make the eyes.
It's not yours.
Huh? And mouth. Oh, look at her.
Oh, good job,
Nadia.
Yay.
Nala, good job.
First, I'm going to do
Great.
Go up and
This is amazing, you
down.
guys.
And go up, go down, go up. Bang.
Wow.
A
Oh,
lot.
that's like a V. Oh, that's a V. The letter V. Can you do a V, Nadia? Let's do
Poppy,
lines going down. You got it?
When you do
Nadia, do you want to do a shape?
Oh, she did a V. Good job, Nadia.
I know how to do a D.
A V.
Good job, Nadia.
Like this.
Yeah, like that. Oh, that's a B. You made the letter B too. Wow. So hey friends, can you make a sensory table, a rice table like this and draw on it for us? That would be great. Wouldn't that be great, Nalah?
Yes. Look at my bee.
Oh, you got your B, yeah.
You can't eat it because it's made of food coloring.
Yeah. So I can't
And we're using our
I can't say
hands.
yum, yum,
They're
yum,
a
yum.
little dirty now.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Yeah, you don't want dirty rice.
Only clean rice.
Clean rice, right?
Because you need to cook clean rice. See, guys.
Don't get the colors?
No.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey, look.
So, you're making like a mountain or something?
Do you want to make a shape now?
Oh, I
Want
want
to make a shape?
Oh, I'm making a circle.
Want to make a square, Nadia? Square. Okay.
Looks like a circle, Nadia.
Yeah. Close enough.
Hey, look,
Oh, what is that, Nalah?
circle.
Oh, yeah.
Ta-da!
Good job.
Circle.
Yeah. Can you draw Nadia? Can you draw yourself? You want to draw, would you like to draw a dolphin?
No.
A zebra? Vegetables?
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy. Okay, let's flip.
Nadia loves vegetables.
Draw the vegetables.
So it's easy to
Yummy,
draw an
yummy.
egg.
It's easy
Nala
to draw
loves
what?
eggs.
Eggs? Oh, speaking of eggs, I
I
think we're gonna have our video come out in the future where you're gonna see the eggs, the Easter eggs, but let's not give up what's coming ahead of time yet, right? Stay tuned. Wow.
Right.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Peace.
Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Don't forget to subscribe right down here.
Thumbs up.
Oh, and thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Give some thumbs up to my. Give some thumbs up to my shirt.
All right.